In this lab, we will convert the VMs from using the native vSwitch to the ACI distributed virtual switch port groups. I will go to each VM and change the network adapter to use the ACI port group. So application EPG. Do the same for DB. I've misspelled the EPG BD instead of DB. I'll go to the web VM, change the network adapter, associate to the port 16 port group, and now we need to power on the VMs. Okay, once these are powered on, I'll open the console. So we've got 1.1 IP address, 10.16 1.1. I will ping the DB VM, which is 10.16.2.1. So I can ping from app to DB, and 3.1 is web VM. So from the app VM, I can ping DB and web. I will go to the DB VM and try to ping the app and web VMs. The app is 10.16.1.1, so I can successfully ping app, and DB is 3.1, so this should request timeout. So we cannot ping from the DB to web because we don't have a contract to allow traffic between DB and web. So from web I will ping the app, which is fine, and then DB should request timeout. I will go to the leaves and check what the configuration looks like there. So I can do show endpoint. And that's all the endpoints. Can do grep port 16. Can go on leaf 1. Show endpoint, endpoint, pipe grep port 16. Here we can see the gateway IPs of each EPG. We can see the VXLAN IDs and the infrastructure VLAN 3161. I can also do show endpoint VRF port 16 colon port 16 VRF detail. Show endpoint. Can do the same command on leaf 2. So 3 MAC addresses learned. Okay, I'll go to the APIC. And then if I go to tenants and port 16, application profiles, application profile, application EPG, and then if I go to the app EPG and operational, so this is where the Fabric should be seeing the endpoints associated with this EPG. So the MAC address of the endpoint, learning source, and hosting server. So we can see the policies, and we can see contracts associated with this EPG. And the 8 ping packets.